So what we have here, we were at Costco a couple times, and we walked past this curated wine advent calendar. So there's 24 different half bottles of wine in here. I know you said they're from different countries?
Yeah, France, Argentina, Australia, New Zealand, South Africa. We love Italian wine, and we are really familiar, I feel like, with Italian wine and American wine too from the United States, but I definitely haven't had anything from South Africa or Australia.
Right.
So it's cool that we get to try different wines, see those different varietals from different countries, see what we like. So.
Yeah, and we thought it would be a cool way to celebrate the season here by bringing you alongside us. So we're going to open every single bottle of these wines here over the month of December. So starting December 1st, we're going to get into the first one, and we will go every day for 24 days until we find out which is the best wine in this box here. So it makes it kind of fun because you don't know what you're drinking. I know there's reds and whites in here, it does say.
Yeah.
So every day is going to be a surprise, which is kind of cool. And
I think it's cool if they find it at their Costco too, that they can like follow along with us and open each day, or like watch the video and
let us know what you think. Because we're going to try to come up with like a fun way to rate each of our wines, because like, you know, that's the whole point of enjoying wine. You want to find new wines that you like, and you know, different varietals, and there's nothing more fun than that. So this is something that if you do see this advent calendar, or you know, picked it up, it'd be a cool thing to do alongside us. So we look forward to open these bottles of wine for you.
Should we open like the top to show?
Yeah.
Like, does it say anything on the inside?
I don't know.
Ooh, live, laugh, wine.
So I'll try to tip this over here a little bit.
Okay.
Hold that up for me. So
this is really heavy because it's obviously full of wine.
So each day, well, it's kind of spread out too.
I know, I like that it's not in order.
Yeah, so
like. But I think that's how advent calendars work usually.
Really?
Yeah, because it's like a little, you find day 1 and then like day 2 is, where is day 2?
Oh, here.
2?
I wonder if they're like, I wonder if
3?
If this is like a white on 1, white on 2.
I don't know, that's a
3
good
is red.
That's
Oh, it's blue actually. I don't know if that's going to actually be the thing.
Probably not.
Okay, well, it'll be interesting to see. So we have this gigantic box here. It is pretty heavy too, so it'll be fun.
Yeah.
We look forward to doing it with you. It's going to be pretty exciting. We'll see you then. December 1st to December 24th. Each day we're going to open a bottle. So.
And then after that, we're going to do a recap of rating all the wines, and we're probably going to pick our top 3 or our top 5, depending on how it goes. And I think there's going to be a lot of new things we haven't tried before. I'm looking at it now, and it says Japan, which I didn't see before. So like, I don't know what wines come from Japan, but that's interesting. I doubt it. I think it has to be
Japanese wine.
Maybe.
Or like a sake. I don't know. Maybe.
Yeah, I don't know. So I think it'll be really interesting to, taste those.
Cool. Well, live, laugh, wine. We'll see you guys December 1st, and look forward to sharing this journey with you. I mean, what's better for December than having a glass of wine each day? So can't beat that. But, all right, we'll see you then.